देखिए स्टार्टिंग में इन योर इनिशियल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स at least you and me on agreement at least on one thing that if 16 judges will hear this case that would be a regular bench and not the constitutional bench and I think you agreed to that and it is recorded.
I think if the recording is looked at, I said that there is the full court, the original full court would hear.
Yes,
anyway, my lord, I want to move on now.
Okay, no, when we talk about the 16 judges, the 8 earlier and 8 these judges, can you agree that that would not be a constitutional bench? If it is a full court, that would be a regular court, regular bench, regular full court.
If any bench, if any sitting of the Supreme Court other than a constitutional bench is a regular bench,
you don't want to that the new judges should not sit in these cases because they were not, or they were the beneficiary, or they were appointed after 26 constitutional amendment. So there is a dispute. One say that there is only bench and the others say that there is a full court, there is no bar. I am still asking, and for last many days we are doing this exercise and all advocates similarly arguments are the same. They are arguing the same things, that full court, no full court, why the constitutional bench. But there are still some rigors under sub-article 3 of the Article 191A. How we can ignore these things? And when you ask the full court, you want that the regular bench will be hear this case. So how we can constitute the regular bench of full court or the 16 judges?
My lord, the answer to that is that,
and there is a clear bar. The constitutional bench में the judges should be nominated by the Judicial Commission of Pakistan. Either we cannot ask them, we cannot direct them to
nominate.
No, I have
not asked for that.
No, some judges, some the learned counsel said that the matter may be referred to the Judicial Commission of Pakistan for nominating all judges of the Supreme Court as the constitutional bench judges. So there are divergent arguments. You see, there is no exactly the same footing is not available. Everybody is arguing somehow or the other different.
Well, your lordships and your ladyships have the burden of deciding, and that burden will entail if you say that your hands are tied, and even if you wanted to, you could not refer the cases to the full court. It is my respectful submission that is not the correct constitutional position. Your hands are not tied. You would be rewriting Article 191A3 and inserting a provision into it that a constitutional bench may never refer a case to the full court. There is no such language. I'm sorry, it's not there.
आपके कहने का ये मकसद है कि हम इस केस को किसी रेगुलर बेंच में नहीं भिजवा सकते लेकिन फुल कोर्ट में भिजवा सकते हैं.
Yes.
ये आपका कहना है.
Yes.
रेगुलर
yes, नहीं वो इसलिए मैं जस्टिस मजहर से I know he's saying I agreed कि it's a regular bench. मैंने trifurcation का है, my lord. Full court still exists. Please don't take.
No, I understand. Yes. We don't say that full court की बात नहीं आपने नहीं की है. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जब वो जाएगा तो वो तो regular bench की ऐसे से सुनेगा ना, because the 8 judges are not part of the constitutional bench. So this is a mix and match of regular judges and the constitutional bench judges.
Your lordships, can I refer in my submission? Ziaur Rahman was read relating to judicial power. Asma Jilani relates to judicial power. I have set out the extract from Asma Jilani at serial number 15. I'm not going to read it out, but it says that judicial power vests in the Supreme Court, even where the language of the ouster is explicit, and in this case, in my submission, there is no such explicit language. Your jurisdiction is not taken away. कल को अगर 27वीं आईनी तरमीम आती है और पार्लियामेंट ये फैसला करती है कि an executive officer will sit above the Supreme Court and decide all cases finally, can you not look at it? Of course you can look at it. You will have to look and examine the scope of that amendment in exercise of your judicial power.
Nobody has declined to hear your merit case or 226 amendment challenge.
Your Lordship,
by this bench.
I am
ये तो हम नहीं
addressing.
कह रहे आपसे कि हम नहीं सुन रहे इसको. मतलब if you want to argue on merit, obviously we will hear your case whether the constitutional
Merits की मैं बात नहीं
amendment
कर रहा.
is in accordance with the basic structure and scheme or not. That is
Lord,
the
my
basic
Lord,
point of your challenge.
मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि आप लोग जो observations आ रही हैं from some members of the bench,
No, no.
कि
आपने ये
हम
बात
अगर
की कि
चाहें भी आप
if-
हमें रास्ता दिखाएं.
No, no.
मैं कह रहा हूँ रास्ता है. प्लीज
नहीं.
उस रास्ते को लें आप.
नहीं, नहीं,
This is the submission.
It is your argument if somebody imposed some executive on the Supreme Court and we cannot allow or we cannot hear that challenge, it is not the case. Still we can hear, you can start your argument on merit right now on the main petition if you
No,
want
my lord,
to.
first-
So कोई issue ही नहीं है.
जी, जी,
आपको
वो-
सुनते हैं if you will be able to convince us whether it is against the basic structure and the basic scheme of the constitution. This is the only ground for striking down the constitutional amendment in throughout the
salient
world.
features.
Yes,
Salient features पे
features.
मैं नहीं आ रहा. एक और मेरा नुक्ता है which I'd like to convey now कि मेरा जो challenge है, including the challenge on the basis of implied limitations. District bar is based on the principle of implied limitations on the amending power of Parliament. But there are also express limitations. You have to comply with Article 239, 238. My case is that 2/3 of Parliament freely exercising their right to vote did not support this amendment. It passed by, I think, a majority of 1. And that's something that will need to be decided. And if your lordships, whichever forum hears this, ultimately agrees कि जी procedure ही नहीं follow हुआ, so the amendment will never have validly come into force. And that is void ab initio. We must behave as if it never existed.
Yes,
Now to
obviously.
preserve,
Yes. If you will argue on merit, this is the question
Lord,
which
what
can
I'm
be asked
saying
from
is-
the Federation and the learned Attorney General whether the procedure was followed, whether the amendment was right or wrong. After your argument, they will be given right of rebuttal to that.
my lord, what I'm
And we
saying
agree to
is,
that.
what I'm
Obviously, we
saying
will
is
hear
this.
him and you both, but on merits. So we are
What
not,
I'm saying is,
staying our hands.
it is not,
to
it is
hear
not,
your case.
it is a submission on the appropriate forum to hear this petition. It is not on the merits. It is saying that if the constitutional amendment was never validly passed, it never came into existence, then this bench's constitution was never validly made, and that is why I'm submitting.
This is a question.
Again, आप उस पे आ गए.
आप
I don't
Have you
think
validly
ये एक
constituted
submission
it?
है.
हम ये presume
What you are
करके
expecting
कि
from
ये
us?
validly pass नहीं है, वहाँ से start है. But
नहीं, I'm
we are
saying कि-
bound what is in the book.
नहीं, अगर validly
Council, you are seeking, Council,
First day.
I speak for myself, you are seeking the main relief through this application with regards to the 26th Amendment.
मैं तो
We
ये
have to shut our eyes, shut our ears and give you the main relief
My lord, I'm not saying
with
strike
regards
down.
to the
Please
response
read.
to the 26th Amendment.
Please read my CMA. My CMA does not say strike down the 26th Amendment. My CMA is very focused, which is what is before your lordship now. It is please send these cases to the original full court. Very simple, right? And the submission is there is nothing stopping you from doing that. Can I, my lord? No.